Okay guys, let's talk about the AirPods and more specifically the AirPods case blinking the orange, red, amber looking light and how you can stop this from happening or what could be the reason for it. So let's understand what's going on. Well, it's important to know that the LED light on your AirPods case can display 3 different colors, and that is white, green, and orange, or the amber looking one. Each color indicates a different status of your AirPods and their case, so let's break down what each color means. When the LED light is white, it means your AirPods are in the pairing process and are ready to connect to a device, and this usually doesn't happen often and is the least concerning of the problems. On the other hand, when the LED light is green, it indicates that the AirPods or the case are fully charged and ready to be used. If the case is blinking green while the AirPods are inside, it means both the case and the AirPods are charged enough and ready to be used, but if the case is blinking green while empty, it means that the case itself has enough charge to power up your AirPods at least once. Now let's focus on the orange light, and this is the one that often causes concern. The orange light generally means that your AirPods or the case are not fully charged. This can apply to either the case itself or the AirPods inside. So here's what you can do to resolve it. I mean, if your AirPods case is blinking orange, the first step is to check the battery level. Connect the case to a charger using the lightning cable and make sure it's plugged in to a power source and everything's properly connected. Then you can check the AirPods case and see the light. If it's blinking orange, it could mean that the AirPods themselves are not fully charged, so the process is going on. It's a good thing. I mean, the whole point is that if you put your AirPods case under a charger with the orange light and leave them there to fully charge, the light should turn green, and if it doesn't, there's probably something going on with the charging process, with the charger, or with the actual hardware of the AirPods, which is less common. Usually just charging them up is going to fix the issue. So this is everything what I wanted to tell you. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.